Hello, Prisha.
Hello, Mama. M. Go. Go. Do. N. Go. Ho. A. J. K.
Go.
Go.
Hmm.
Mm.
Hmm.
N. O. B. Q. R. T.
Umbrella.
F.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
G.
Tell me the phonic of G.
Go.
G. Very good. Tell me the phonics of F. Very good. Tell me the phonics of Q.
Qua.
Qua. Very good. Tell me the phonics of D.
Da.
Tell me the phonics of J.
Ja.
Tell me the phonics of S. Very good. Good job.
A plus D is at. A plus N is am. E plus N is an. A plus B is at. A plus B is ab. A plus E is egg.
Ag.
Ag. A plus T is ant. B and ban.
Next.
Go and can.
Next.
Mama and fan.
Next.
Ma man.
Very good. Next.
B and hand.
Next.
V and van.
Very good. Next.
D and dan.
Good job. I will touch one word and you have to make a sentence with that word. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Van.
Make sentence with the word van.
Prisha will sit in the van.
Oh wow,
And
good
we
job.
say the bye bye mama and papa Bua.
Which word is this?
Jam.
Can you make sentence with the word jam?
Prisha will eat the jam.
Okay. Chalo, next. Which word is this?
Lap.
Okay. Prisha, can you make sentence with the word lap?
Prisha Pressure likes to sit in Mama's lap.
Thank you, Prisha.
Dad.
Tap. Yes. Make sentence with the word tap.
Mama should don't waste water on the top. Oh, baby, don't get water. You should never slow the water.
Prisha, do you know which game we are going to play? We are going to play the quiz. Sight words quiz. Right? Okay. 2-letter words. These are 3-letter words. These are 4-letter words. And
5-letter words.
these are 5-letter words. अब प्रिशा 5-letter words अभी पढ़ना शुरू करेगी. प्रिशा knows 2 very well, है ना? 2-letter words तो बहुत अच्छे से आता है. तो हम लोग इसको नहीं करेंगे, ओके? हम लोग करेंगे 3-letter words and 4-letter words, okay? Let's go for 3-letter words first. What is this?
All.
All. What is this?
You.
Who?
Who.
It's okay अगर बच्चा नहीं बता पा रहा है, हमें फिर से बता देना है. That's it. हमें उसे कॉन्फिडेंस पे अटैक नहीं करना है, बार बार डांटना नहीं है. बस अगर बच्चा नहीं बता पा रहा है तो फिर से बता देते हैं. सिंपल. What is this?
She.
Good.
The. It. Her.
Hat.
Hat.
Please tell me what is this?
Her.
Her.
Can. Out.
आपने 3-letter words तो बहुत अच्छे से बता दिया. Let's move on to 4-letter words. Okay? What is this?
In and to.
Into.
Into. Play. Sorry.
हाँ, sorry नहीं है. Read it first.
Sit.
हाँ, said.
Fun. Milk.
Make.
Milk. This.
This is my Prisha. Okay, Prisha, this is the difficult one, but let's check it out. Prisha will do it or not. Prisha, look, Mama. Can you please give me the word found? Good. Give it to me. Give me the word about. About. Which word is this?
About.
Okay. Give me where. Careful, careful. There are 2 same words which start with wa. So,
What?
where. Yes. And the other word is?
What?
Put it here. Wood. This is where and this is wood.
Wood.
Okay. Please give me other. Where is other? Yeah. Good job. Put it there. Give me at most. At most. Put it here. Give me because.
Because I'm doing for my sheep.
Put it there. And the last word is, can you tell me the word?
Because little.
Prisha is little. Mwah.
Do little lamb.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
This
Chalo, put your pointer finger and start reading.
the bug is red. I like my pet. My pet is wet. I can
Very good.
I like to bat and ball.
Okay. अपने से लगा लिया.
The box is wet. Mom can run.
Next.
I can see a cub.
Please tell me 5 lines about apple.
An apple. This is an apple. Apple is red in color. Apple grows on tree. One apple a day keeps doctor away. I like to eat apple. Apple.
This.
This is apple. Apple is red in color. One apple a day keeps doctor away. I like to eat apple. Apple grows on the tree. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.